So one question that I always ask producers at meetings, especially the first meeting, is what kind of challenges are they having today? Is it a behavioral challenge, like tail biting, something of that nature? Is it a disease challenge? What kind of diseases are you currently dealing with? Is it E. coli, salmonella, anything like that? Even if we can't help with it, I'd like to know about it. Also, variation in pig size. You know, are you having a lot of lights go out the door for market? One reason that I want to know whenever I talk to producers about any behavioral or disease challenges that they are currently dealing with, even if it's been a long-term chronic problem and everybody's just kind of skates over it because it's always been there, is sometimes we can help that with our animal health products, or more specifically, we can help it with nutrition. When we look at disease challenges in the barn, we've got an excellent animal health line. I use a lot of essential oils for that. We've dealt with some dysentery that we haven't fixed it, but we have minimized some of the symptoms. Customers very happy with that. We also look at, HBS. We have very good success with our Oregano EX. So when we look at variation in the barn, it's usually a question that we do ask producers. What does your closeout look like? What's your variation look like when they move from the nursery to grow finish? We start with, what wean age do you have? And it's like, well, I have a 13-pound pig. I have a 14-pound pig. It's like, that's great. What's your wean age? And that is coming from, we feed to age, not weight. A 14-pound pig has the same digestive capacity at 21 days as a 10-pound pig at 21 days. And so what we try to do is target that bottom 30% and bring it more in line with what your average market pig is going to be. All of our diets are tailor-made to the customer. They're not cookie cutters. So just because you have the same kind of pigs or the same genetics doesn't mean that you all get the same diets. We do base it off of flow, health challenges, and what the producer ultimately wants. The benefit of discussing those challenges with producers is that we can then hone in their diets, fine-tune them. That does help save money. It also, because it helps maximize performance.